Hello students. So, I'm back with a new chemistry class. Let us revise mole concept today. Okay students, if I ask you, how do you buy potatoes from market? You all will say, ma'am, we buy it in terms of kg. And if I ask you, how you buy clothes from the market? You will say, ma'am, in terms of meter. So, what is kg and meter? They are units to measure mass and length respectively. Similarly, this mole is also a unit to measure the amount of atom. Like kg is to measure the mass, meter is to measure length, seconds is to measure time, etc. Similarly, mole is a unit to measure the amount of atoms. Now you will say, ma'am, we are measuring atoms in terms of atomic unit mass. Definitely, we are measuring the mass of atoms in terms of atomic mass unit. But what is atomic mass unit? One atomic mass unit is 1/12 the mass of a single carbon atom. Think of atoms. They are so small that they cannot be seen with high resolution microscope. And you are dividing it into 12 parts. And one part of that atom is your 1 AMU. So, how small a unit it is? So, can we use this in our daily life? In our laboratories for saying preparation of some reagents? No, we cannot measure in terms of AMU because it's so small a unit. For practical purpose, we need a bigger unit. Like we have dozen for eggs. Then we have other, say, score for 20, gross for 144. So, they are groups of, say, higher units. Similarly, mole is a bigger unit to measure amount of atoms, number of atoms. How? Let us see. What is mole for an atom? A mole of atom is defined as the amount of substance, that is element, which has mass equal to gram atomic mass. So you remember what is gram atomic mass? The atomic mass expressed in grams. So 1 mole of atom is equal to 1 gram atom of that element. Example? Yes. What we know? The atomic mass of carbon is 12 AMU. So what will be the gram atomic mass of carbon? This AMU expressed in grams, that is 12 grams. So what will be 1 mole of carbon atom? 1 mole of carbon atom will be equal to 12 grams. That is gram atomic mass of carbon. Clear? So 1 mole of an atom for element is the gram atomic mass of that element. Similarly, if we see for molecules, what is 1 mole for molecules? 1 mole of molecule is defined as that amount of substance which has mass equal to gram molecular mass. In other words, 1 mole of molecules of element or compounds is equal to 1 gram molecule. Let us see this also with the help of an example. We know the molecular mass of water is 18 AMU. So what will be the gram molecular mass of water? The same molecular mass expressed in grams, that is 18 grams. So what will be 1 mole of water? 1 mole of water is equal to gram molecular mass of water. That is 18 grams. So 1 mole of water is equal to 18 grams of water molecules. It will be more clear if we see some examples in the form of numericals. Let us try to solve few numericals based on mole concept. Number 1. Let us convert 60 grams of carbon into mole. So what is step 1? Find the atomic mass of carbon. We know atomic mass of carbon is 12 AMU. Next, in the step 2, convert it into molar mass. What is molar mass of carbon? Atomic mass expressed in grams, that is 12 grams per mole. Now apply the unitary method. If 12 grams of carbon is equal to 1 mole, 1 gram of carbon will be equal to 1 by 12 mole. And 60 grams of carbon will be equal to 1 by 12 into 60, unitary method. That is equal to 5 moles. That is why 60 grams of carbons is equal to 5 moles. Now let us try to convert this mole into grams. The vice versa. Calculate the mass of 5 moles of carbon. The process remains the same. Find the atomic mass of carbon. We know atomic mass of carbon is 12 AMU. Now convert it into molar mass. The molar mass of carbon will be 12 grams per mole. Now apply the unitary method. If 1 mole of carbon atom is equal to 12 grams, 5 mole of carbon atom will be equal to 12 into 5, that is 60 grams. Simply the unitary method that you have learnt in class 8. You just have to apply it. Like if you know the cost of 1 chocolates, you can find out the cost of 5 chocolates. Similarly, if you know the mass of 1 mole of carbon atom, you can find out the mass of any mole of carbon atom. Now, the third one. Mole has yet another definition in terms of number of particles, which states that a mole of particle is defined as the amount of substance which contains the same number of particles as there are in carbon 12 atoms in 12 grams. So 1 mole of particle is therefore defined as amount of substance which contains Avogadro number of particles, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. In simple words, a mole of atoms will have 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. a mole of molecule will have 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. That is why we said a mole always has fixed number of particles. That is Avogadro number of particle. Let us understand this with the help of an example. The question is, calculate the number of atoms in 5 mole of carbon. We know the number of atoms in 1 mole is Avogadro number of particles. So 1 mole of carbon will be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. So, in next we apply the unitary method. If 1 mole of our carbon atom contains 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms, then how much? 5 moles will contain. Just multiply it with 5. You will get the number of carbon atoms. Now, the converse. Calculate the number of moles that will constitute 30.11 into 10 to the power of 23 carbon atoms. Same way, first we know the number of atoms in 1 mole is Avogadro number of particles. So 1 mole of carbon atom will have 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. If 1 mole has so many atoms, now apply the unitary method. We can write it in a reverse way. 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of carbon are equal to 1 mole of carbon. Then 1 mole, or rather 1 atom will be equal to 1 by 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 mole. And 30.11 into 10 to the power of 23 carbon atoms will be equal to, just multiply this with the number of atoms that has been given. And that comes out to be 5 moles. So students, you have to simply know 1 mole is equal to gram atomic or gram molecular mass. Similarly, 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms or molecules. Now, when you know this relation, you convert whatever is given to you in terms of 1. Find out the unit value of it and then apply the unitary method. This is by one way you can solve any numerical on mole concept. Thank you.